Hi guys, thank you for clicking into my videos again. This is Marie and today I'll be showing you this makeup tutorial. This is my graduation look. This is not what I looked like or my makeup when I graduated, but I hope that you guys like this and maybe you can recreate this idea of mine into your own graduation makeup. And congratulations too for all of you graduating students. You finished the next step of your life, and it might be a high school graduation or a college graduations. Congratulations, you made it, and there's more to life, so just be happy. And without further ado, let's get started to this makeup. Hello, so I already put my hair up with my headband. So today I'll be starting with this Lumi Illuminator Primer. This is so your makeup will stay longer as you go throughout the ceremony of your graduation. Okay, so I will be putting this on my face. So I just put a small amount and just put it all over. Okay, so that's your base. And the next thing I'll do is put on concealer. So I'll be using this, I think this is a Wet n Wild concealer. This is the, what is this? This is their Mega Glow makeup corrector. This is in color You're a Natural 809. And I'll be using my finger to just correct some spots that I have. So, okay, and I have here. So as you can tell, I'm putting concealer because I don't usually put liquid foundation. So this is kind of like acts as my liquid foundation, my concealer. Okay, and then what I'll do next is powder. So today I'll be using this Rimmel foundation. This is their shade Creamy Natural. And with that, I'll be just using this Wet n Wild brush. I don't know what's the name of this brush, but you can buy this at Walmart or Walgreens. So I'll just... So this is your graduation makeup, so you can do whatever you want. You feel like doing with your face. You can do smoky, you can do regular day makeup, or you want to be fancy, you can put on anything. But my usual is just powder and concealer, because you just want to be photo ready. Then next, I'll start with my eyebrows. So I'll be using this Wet n Wild eye pencil. This is, I don't know the color because it's already gone. The writing is gone. So I have basically an easy way to do my eyebrows. I don't usually shape it. I'll just draw a line right here. Right there. Same to the other side. Okay, as you can tell, I didn't shape it. I just like draw a line in the middle. Then what I'll do is I'll use this pulley right here and just then, since you are gonna be in a ceremony and it's really hard to touch up your makeup, what I'll do is I'll use this Maybelline Brow Drama. This is in their color Auburn. So this is a liquid eyebrow gel. So your eyebrows will just stay in place. Or you can use a clear gel brow as well, since you use a color pencil, eyebrow pencil already. And then from there, let's move on to the eyes. So for my graduation, or when I had my graduation, it was like 2013. I think I put some makeup on, but I really don't know how to put makeup. Until now, I don't know, but I just wing it back then. So today, I'll just show you my normal kind of like day look, which is perfect for graduation. I believe it's perfect for graduation. So what I'll do is I'll use this LA colors. This is in a Foxy formula. That's the name, I think. And I just bought this at dollar store. So what I'll do is I'll pat this number one, the number one right here. It's kind of like just a base that the color base. It's like, there we go. And then next I'll be using this third one right here. It's kind of like pinkish. Yeah, it's pinkish purple, and this one is like reddish purple. So I'll do the pinkish first and put it all over my lid. As you can see, it's only $1, but it's really pigmented. So I use my fingers because it's just a base. Normally, if I'm in a hurry, I'll just use all my fingers instead of brushes. So there you go. And what I'll do is I'll use this Wet n Wild brush. This is in their, I don't know, there's no number here, but yeah, I bought this at Walgreens as well. It's just $1. So what I'll do is I use this reddish purple right here, swirl it around, and just pat it out on the outer side of my eye. So the 2/3 of my eye. Don't worry if it's like a mess, because we're gonna blend it later. Put it on the lower lash as well. And I'm using the same brush. I'll be dipping my shadow in the brown shadow. So this is, I think, I'm not sure where this is from, but you can buy this at drugstore as well. So I'll be using this brown shadow right here. Using the same brush. We're just dipping it here and putting it in the outer V only. And then I want to go back in to the LA Colors palette again, using the pinkish purple right here. And then I'll use my finger and then put it in the middle again, because we kind of like lost that color. So at least, even though you have like a dark brown V, outer V shadow, you still have this like fresh and like fun color in the middle of your eyelids. Okay. Then in order to blend all that shadow, I'll be using this brush. This is a Filipino brush from Fashion 21. I believe this, I bought this in the Philippines, of course. So this is a clean brush, and then I'll just brush it. Next, I'll be going back to this base color that we have for the LA palette, from the LA palette. Just put it as a highlight. Okay. Then next, I'll be using my eyeliner, because I want my eyes to get bigger in pictures, or, you know. So I'll be using this e.l.f. liner. This is in jet black. So I bought this yeah, for $1 in the dollar store, or you can buy this at Walgreens for $2. So I just go to the dollar store because it's $1 instead of paying, you know. So this one has really like thin brush. So as you can tell, it's really soft too. The brush is really soft. It's really dark as well. So $1 you can really find good makeup quality, even it's $1. So just closely line my eyeline where I want it or how big it is. For me, I want my eyeliner thicker, so I draw more. So I kind of like draw a wing, a little bit of wing right there. My eyes is bigger, even though a lot of people are saying when you use black liner it will make your eyes smaller. For my case, it's really, the difference is really big. Like it make my eyes pop more. So I always use black liner instead of brown. And then you just have to make sure that it's the same. So you gotta make sure it's the same size. And if you are satisfied with how thick you want your liner to be, stop there because you don't want to like mess it up. Okay, so next I'll be using my lashes, or I'll be curling my lashes. So just go ahead and put some lashes or mascara. So this is the volumizing lashes. This is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. And this is waterproof, which is perfect for your graduation. It won't melt on your face. Okay, and just curl it. And while waiting for it to dry, I will be putting on some lip balm for my lips. So I'm using this Burt's Beeswax lip balm. So everything I'm using is you can find it in the drugstore, which is like better and cheaper way to put or buy some makeup. That's really good too, actually. It doesn't really matter if it's high end, as long as you did it good and you're like, you love the way you look or how your makeup is doing. That's all that matters. So now I'll be doing a second coat. You don't want to like scrape the exact mascara while it's wet. Wait for it to dry and then you go with a Q-tip and then remove it. So I'll be removing that later. So my next step will be blush. So today I'll be using this e.l.f. blush. This is in brick red. This is $1 as well. So with the blush, I'll be using this e.l.f. blush brush. This is, I think, $3 at Walgreens. So just be careful because this is really pigmented. Even though it's $1, it's really pigmented. So I'll put it like upward instead of like all over. You can do it like a sunburn style, but it's graduation, so you don't want to be doing doesn't have any money to spend on a different bronzer, you can use the same eyeshadow that we use in our eyes, which is this palette, this eyeshadow palette. So I'll be using this more bronzy color. So I'll be using the same blush brush and just swipe it around. And just be careful too, because it's and then for highlight, the same thing. If you don't have any extra budget to buy for highlight, just use the same eyeshadow right here, the one that we used in our here underneath our eyebrows highlight. So again, same brush. As you can see, it's really shiny. It can really act as like a highlighter. Okay, so next I want to put on some more powder foundation, the Rimmel again, because I feel like I'm a little bit shiny. So I'll put it. Don't put it where you put your blush on, because you will just erase it. Just like, so you're kind of like matte and, you know, not shiny on your photos. Okay. The next, I will be using, the last step will be our lips. So today I'll be using this ColourPop First Base lip color. I think this is their matte edition. So lip First Base. This is the First Base, and it won't close up, but yeah, it has really super like nice light pink color to it. It's really not strong too. So I'll just like line my lips and do this. And then as you can see, you have like this edges right here. Just use your finger. And if you want, if it's too pink for you, you can grab a tissue and blot it. So what you can do is like get a tissue and just blot it. And then as I can see, it's really like drying. Like I feel like it's like dry on my lips. I'll be using again the lip balm, the Burt's Bees lip balm, and put it on top. And for your makeup to stay longer, I'll be using this Urban Decay all-nighter makeup spray, setting spray. I bought this at Nordstrom Rack for 15 bucks. And I don't know if they're selling this still, but yeah, it's only for 15. And then you just like spray it onto your face like so. And just let it dry. And there you go. That's your graduation makeup tutorial. For watching. If you want more videos like this, please comment down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you next time.